Good morning and welcome. It's Julie Cube and I'm here on a very hot summer's day. I come out to paint. I have been for a swim in the pool. I'm very lucky. And I'm going to use up this sparkling turquoise. It was actually paint that I scraped from a canvas that I did not like. So I'm going to reuse the paint so I don't waste any of it. And I'm going to do a split composition with this turquoise and some navy. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it comes out absolutely beautiful. So this turquoise looks absolutely gorgeous, and it's sparkling because there must have been a little bit of metallic in the paints also. So even adding that bit of metallic always makes your paint sparkle through somehow. It is a little bit thick, but we'll see how we go for what I'm going to do for this particular split technique. Might have to blow some of that over, but we will see, Rightio. I will put the blue on. I thought I'd go the dark navy and turquoise. Hopefully it's gels nicely. I'm using the little sponge brushes. I just find they cover a little bit better than when I use a spatula. They actually coat the canvas better. But it's all personal. It's all personal, isn't it? Whatever you feel you want to work with, you have to do. So you only take ideas from other artists and make it your own then. Do it the way you want to do it. Remember, there's no rules. It's your art, your rules, your way. So there you go. That's a lovely navy blue, I call it. And I made this navy up myself out of phthalo blue. I had a good dash of black and a dash of very dark green. And it makes this... Yeah, I add a dash of the green deep into the, well, phthalo or cool blue, and also a dash of black if you want it to go very dark. But it's a very nice navy. So looking good, looking good. Rightio. I've made up a few custom colours and I'll explain them as I go along. Ooh. This one is the Tahiti, which it's not a custom colour, it's a global colour that they make. But it's a lovely colour. I'm going to go the cool blue as well. Cool blue. Now, where is it? This one is custom colour. This is silver. It's the metallic silver. I started off with mostly metallic silver and then added, where is it? Oh, the dark sea. And it comes this beautiful, I'm calling it mermaid blue. I just love it. It's beautiful. So if you mix those two, that's the gorgeous colour that you will get. So just trial and error to get which shade you particularly like. You don't have to do the same as I. And then this one is gold, metallic gold mixed with the cool blue or phthalo blue, and it's absolutely sparklingly gorgeous. I've got a name for that, but I forgot what it was. Silly Jilly. Silly Jilly. Rightio. And then I want to put in a bit of my dark sea along here. And then of course I'll put in a squirt of white, probably along the middle. Should I throw something like spanner in the work, which will be, I'm going to go and throw some cool red in there. So I'll throw my cool red. I'm not sure whether to blow this out or swipe it. Shall we try a swipe first? Might just try swiping it with some bits of soft plastic file divider. Or should I? Should I? Or let me see. Thinking I might like it blown out. Or maybe should I try, I'll try the one side with a swipe, and the other side maybe I'll try blowing out. I can always blow that side out if that's just giving it a little swipe. Maybe I should have given it some heat to burst the air bubbles. Now I'll get my little dryer and I will blow it out. I think I should go the other way because that is so lovely. Wow, that is beautiful colours. Love, love, love it. Wow, wow, wow. That's gorgeous. Or maybe I can just blow this corner. Lovely. Oh my goodness. I've got like a fish's head there. That is super duper as it is. Oh, the colours really look lovely together. That is beautiful. Now, if this was your piece of work, you could absolutely leave it just like this. It's perfectly gorgeous as it is, and most artists would. But of course, I'm not most artists, and I've got to gillify it. So I'm going to find myself a balloon and come back to this. Okie doke, I've got my balloon, and I get lots of people ask me or say that they've tried the balloon and they thought it was going to be so easy, and it's not. The structure of the balloon kiss has fallen in, it doesn't look like petals. Well then, at that point I would say leave your painting for about 20 minutes and go and have a cuppa or do some cleaning up or whatever floats your boat, and come back to it, because when the paint's absorbed into the canvas a little, you'll find that your balloon kiss will hold its shape so much better. And just any balloon, it doesn't have to be anything special. Just get them from the cheapy shop. Don't blow it right up. You can have different sizes for different size bloom-like flowers that you want to create. So I always call it my balloon art magic, because it really does transform a painting to the next level than just a chaos blow or Dutch pour. It just gives it a whole different dimension again. And of course it's my, it's my thing that I love to do, so do what gives you joy. Press it quite firmly in there and lift it up. If the paint is the correct consistency, it will give you a really nice effect underneath there. So pressing it quite firm. You can absolutely put these balloon kisses onto a piece of cardstock or another canvas and make your Christmas or gift cards with your, oh, that's a nice balloon kiss. And just do what you feel is right. You could just put one balloon kiss, you could put many, just Yeah, it's up to you. It's really, yeah, each person's individual taste, isn't it? So now I've got my little old, this one is just filled with a little bit of water, just to give it a bit of weight. I'm not sure if it makes that much difference if I didn't have water in it. I think I have tried it. It just gives it that little bit of weight to hold on to and kiss into your canvas. Well, that one's gone a dark one, but it's beautiful. So just wherever you choose, remember there's no rules. If you choose not to put this effect in, then don't. It's all personal. That's it. I think that that's enough, and that is gorgeous as it is. That needs a little bit of dark in there. So there you go. Look at those. Actually, that's beautiful. Pressing it in the dark blue, putting a bit of that dark navy in. That's gorgeous as it is. Really, really happy with that. Hope that you love that one. That split. That looks gorgeous. I am very, very happy with that. Okay, my lovelies, don't forget, if you're feeling sad, lonely, upset, please, please, please bring a family member or a friend or a helpline. There is always someone there to help. Don't suffer in silence. So please take care, my lovelies. Until tomorrow, bye for now.